Hello everyone, I'm Coach Jimmy K here with DenasPainReliefStore.com. Over the last few months, we've been getting a lot of phone calls from people who have purchased the Denas device, and they had what is called tinnitus. They were suffering from tinnitus. What tinnitus is it's a ringing or a sound that's going on in the eardrum in the head. You could be sitting at your desk trying to concentrate at work, and you just have this continued hissing, humming, ringing in your ear. Many war veterans suffer from it, as far as artillery fire. You know, they may not have had the ear muffs on, protective ear gear on, so there was damage in the inner ear canal. A lot of medical professionals have tried to figure out what exactly causes tinnitus. But they said, do a video and tell the people to get in touch with you that have tinnitus. So I'm Coach Jimmy K saying, if you want help with tinnitus, contact us, DenasPainReliefStore.com, and we can help you with it. We've got people that have had tinnitus that have contacted us and told us it helped get rid of that sound. So this is Coach Jimmy K, DenasPainReliefStore.com. Here's to a healthy and happy day. Goodbye.